mail day to you. When you receive your Seint products, they will arrive in a box similar to this, and it will contain all of your goodies, including the compact, the different singles, and your brushes, and any other product that you may have purchased. Your singles will arrive like this with a cover that simply slides right off. Since these are magnetic, they will pop right into your compact for easy storage. The brushes come in these handy little cylinders where you can just pop the tab, slide the brush out, then simply slide the shield off of the brush to then start using. You are now ready to use your products.